Hello guys, I have here a 2005 Nissan Xterra 6 cylinders, and it started doing this. It won't turn on. It takes a while for it to turn on, but I'm gonna try it again. And the engine doesn't feel very strong, or rather it doesn't feel normal. So I'm gonna scan it for any codes, and I'll show you right here. I have my little GP, but it still works. I got this one at AutoZone. You know, eventually I'll get a better one, but if I scan it, okay, so it's reading, it's scanning. And it's finding one fault, one error, one code. And if I scroll it, it's giving me this code, P0335, which refers to a bad crankshaft sensor. You know, so I did a little bit of research, a little Google, because that's all we can do, the people that are not mechanics. You know, and many times, you know, we end up being able to fix it. In my case, you know, when I give it a try and then I'm not able to fix it, well, then I take it to a professional. But a lot of times, you know, we can fix these little problems. So I already ordered the sensor. I had already scanned it, so you know, the sensor, you know, it's on its way. And it was really cheap. It's not expensive. Unless you go to the dealer, then you're gonna end up paying a lot more money. And so I'm gonna be changing it for this truck. All right, so let's see how it goes. All right, guys, so at this point I've already removed the wheel, this splash guard, and so we're gonna find the sensor. It's just right here. We're lucky that it's right here within reach. So here's the spring. You know, keep going in, keep going in, keep going in. You following me? Yeah, it's gonna be, see this little boot right here? Well, this little boot protects the connection and the sensor. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this boot off, okay? It will be kind of similar to what the batteries have. You know, they have a little boot, a little plastic that covers the terminal. So go ahead and remove it. And I don't want to move the phone. And right here, this is your sensor. This is your sensor right here. And that's, let me see if I can get some light up there. Okay, I don't know. Okay. See? That right there, that's all you're gonna have to unbolt. It's right here. So I'm not gonna be able to be holding the camera, and yeah, I don't have a tripod or anything. But basically, what you have to do is unbolt right here, unbolt it, and disconnect it. Disconnect it. There's the little latch for disconnecting the sensor. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it, and then I'll let you know how difficult it was. It's gonna be a piece of cake. It's gonna be a piece of cake. See, I can touch it right here. So I'm gonna bring a long extension, the little socket, and maybe an adapter, a flexible adapter, so I can put my socket in, then the adapter, the extension, and then I'll just turn it from outside. All right, so I'm gonna get to do that. Sorry that I cannot show you because I don't have any place to put the phone, the camera, but I'll figure something out. All right, guys, I'll show you really quick right here. This is gonna be my setup to get to the little bolt. You know, you can use anything you want, whatever works for you. So I have a little 10mm socket, little adapter, medium, kind of like a 6-inch extension, and then I want to go. Oh, let me see if I can show you. Okay, so that's the bolt, and then I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in on top of these holes. Sorry guys, on top of these holes, then down, and then right there I'm hooking to it. Right there I'm hooked in. Okay, so I'm hooked in, and then you see my extension, see my socket, my extension, and then right here I want to hook up a flexible adapter. I'm gonna hook up this little flexible adapter. Okay, I'm gonna hook it up right here. Okay, and right there I'm gonna hook up. I'm right here right now. Right here, I'm gonna hook up a longer extension, a longer extension. Okay, so let me hook it up. Okay, let me hook it up and then I'll show you. All right, guys. So this is my setup. See, I'm all the way out here. Extension, flexible adapter, another little extension, and then right there, you see at the end, I'm hooked all the way to the so I'm ready to break it loose. Okay, I'm gonna let go of the phone a little bit because it's a little tight. I need both hands, but that's it. That's how you get to the bolt, so you don't have to struggle. Okay, I'm gonna break it loose. It's loose. Okay, so right here, I want to cut the video off because I don't want to drop the bolt and lose it. But that's going to be it. That's going to be it right there. Yeah. Got the bolt right here. Okay.